This is alphabet A. A for apple. A for apple. Here is A. After A will be B. B. This is alphabet B. B for ball. B for ball. After B will be C. This is alphabet C. C for cat. C for cat. After C will be D. This is alphabet D. D for dog. D for dog. After D will be E. E. This is alphabet E. E for elephant. E for elephant. After E will be F. This is alphabet F. F for fish. F for fish. After F will be G. G. This is alphabet G. G for God. G for God. After G will be H. H. This is alphabet H. H for hand. H for hand. After H will be alphabet I. I. This is alphabet I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. After I will be J. Alphabet J. This is alphabet J. J for joker. J for joker. After J will be K. Alphabet K. This is alphabet K. K for kite. K for kite. After K alphabet will be L. L. This is alphabet L. L for lion. L for lion. After L will be M. M. This is alphabet M. M for monkey. M for monkey. After M will be alphabet N. This is alphabet N. N. N for nest. N for nest. After N will be O. This is alphabet O. O for orange. O for orange. After O will be P. Alphabet P. This is alphabet P. P for peacock. P for peacock. After P will be alphabet Q. This is alphabet Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. After Q alphabet R. R. This is alphabet R. R for rose. R for rose. After R will be S. S. This is alphabet S. S for sun. S for sun. After S will be alphabet T. This is alphabet T. T for telephone. T for telephone. After T will be U. This is alphabet U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. After U will be V. This is alphabet V. V for van. V for van. After V will be W. W. This is alphabet W. W for watch. W for watch. After W will be X. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. After X will be Y. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. After Y will be Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.